Hello everyone, welcome to HiDevs Community Streamlit series. So today's topic is Dogecoin stock price prediction. As we all know that Dogecoin is famous in context of memes of our team's dogs. You all know that. So let's get to the file. So here is the inputs. So first is the open price of the stock. We will write is 100. Highest price of the stock, we will just take it as 200. No, 500. Adjacent close price we can predict as 250, and volume we can assume as 100. Let's click on predict price. So we got the price is 250. Okay, so in this way you can check for your own test cases. The link is in the description. You can check. You can go in the Streamlit application and run your own test cases and check the price. To know the code behind this, you can go to file section and click on app.py file. Here you will get all the code, how the model is trained, tested, and it is predicting the Dogecoin prices. You can go and check all these things from here.
So, who is HiDevs? Before explaining about HiDevs, I am excited to share some good news with all of you today that we have successfully placed 10 plus students in various renowned company. So if you also want to get placed, please join our community and get one step closer to your dream job. So coming to HiDevs, who is HiDevs? So HiDevs is first open community which will help you to get straight to second round of interview. If you are having any trouble in how to start career in data science, you want to improve your resume, not getting interview calls, want to switch from non-tech to tech, HiDevs is here for you. We will help to learn any technology, solve problems with ChatGPT, personalize your mock interview, and improve resume, cover letter, LinkedIn profile, etc. So what makes us unique? So everything is free of cost and we have one-on-one mentorship. We will follow industrial approach. We will hire industrialists from various companies to get your job. We organize mock interviews for you. So we provide various resources to get you your dream job. So join now to get your dream job. Thank you.